Hello everyone, my name is Maxim Vidgof and I will show you a new process scripting and execution environment that we have developed. Right now we will script our very first and very simple process, deploy it in Camunda and execute it. So here is our tool. You can download it from the GitHub repository, and right now to create our first process we just need to create a new module in the root of the project. We will call it example. You can copy the build Gradle file from the CamDemo package, so we will do it right now, and just remove the test here. So this build Gradle is enough for us to start. Here inside the main Kotlin I created a new package and a new Kotlin file for our process. I just copied some things to make it short, so here inside the companion object init we can define the flow, and here is where we actually script our process. Each process starts by receiving a command, and after receiving it, it can promise to answer with some message in case of success or failure. So we have a credit card charging process, and normally we would call some other external system to process the credit card, but right now for simplicity we just say we await some message from this credit card processing external system, and we match this message with this process instance by using the field reference in the message received and matching it with a variable reference that we have defined above. Next, we should check whether the card was successfully processed, and we do it by checking this confirmed variable. And otherwise, we emit the failure event, the credit card is expired, and the process stops right away. And if everything went smoothly, we can emit this success event in the end. Note that we also have to define the variables used in this process above, and also the message types on the process as separate data classes below. So now we have successfully scripted our process, but we still need a couple of additional steps to deploy it. We also have to create an application. We can use the payment retrieval application from the CamDemo package as an example, and the main thing we have to do is here in this flow activate call we have to put the name of our process that we scripted. This will allow us to deploy it in Camunda. We also need to create a controller to be able to communicate with our process externally. We can use the payment retrieval controller from the CamDemo package as an example, and here we define two paths that we can send simple HTTP post requests to. Last but not least, we have to create this application properties file in resources and put some Camunda settings in it. So now we are ready to deploy our process in Camunda. Now as we run the application, we can see it deployed in Camunda. So here there is one process deployed, and this is our process, exactly how we scripted it. So now we can send a post request to the path that we defined, and when we do it, we see that this message is observed by our application, and if we refresh the Camunda cockpit, we will see that now our one process instance is waiting for this message to be received. We can send a second message saying that our credit card has been successfully processed, and we will see that we observed this message here in our application, and our application publishes the credit card charged message, and we will see that in the Camunda there is no running instances anymore. This is the end of our demo. Thank you for watching.